Welcome back. In the previous video, you could already see that we arrived at the I Love Phants Lodge. This lodge is part of the Wildlife Friends Foundation of Thailand, and it offers different kinds of accommodation to allow you to stay close to nature and wildlife. You can enjoy the peace and tranquility of the environment with the sound of gibbons and elephants as your neighbors. We stayed here for 2 nights. One night in a double forest view room, which is right next to the elephant forest enclosure, and with some luck you can watch the elephants pass by your room. For our last night we booked a 2-bedroom pool bungalow. This 2-bedroom villa has its own big private pool and overlooks the large elephant fields and mountains. I could sit by the pool for hours, watching the elephants wander over the vast plain.
Instant happiness.
He was dropped off at a temple in Hua Hin where he lived for 10 years. He then managed to escape the temple, and we had gotten a call from a lady saying there was a dinosaur in her backyard.
Oh, they have little gibbons.
Also 6 months old.
Not older than 6 months, younger than 6 months. It's upside down.
Now, the gibbons are not monkeys. They are known as lesser apes. So apes do not have tails, so you might notice that they don't have tails. Also, apes are afraid of water, they cannot swim. The gibbons are afraid of water and cannot swim.
What do you have?
I have the fried rice with egg. Simple but yummy.
Okay. I went for the pad krapao with moo, pork.
You are a pad krapao addict.
Yes, but it looks delicious. I have proof. You hooligan.
Look at that view!
From the distance, dressed with clothes of skin and hide, there seemed an ancient knowledge, the books they kept inside. Fought 1,000 times, and I'd like to think I won, but they arguably were stalemates, feats of one-on-one.
Now who needs television when you have a view like this?
Thinking about it now, I was someone else before, a ruler of a kingdom with nothing at the core. Lived in empty chambers, knocking down the city doors. I'd love to know where you ended up and what it's like wherever that you are. Of the lost mountain at the setting of the sun, and there's a tunnel underneath it, emerging in another world. And I heard of the lost mountain at the setting of the sun, and there's a tunnel underneath it, emerging in another world.
Why are they blocking the road?
Pictures.
Swap all of my clothes for some old and tattered robes. I'll pack a couple of favorites, some classics for the road. I'll tie off all my loose ends, don't know when I'm coming back. I'll dig out all your old books and I'll read them like a man. And when the man